Uqothiwe ehlanganweni ebusako unobhala zombelele we-ANC obekajanyisiweko u-Ace Magashule kuthiwa wephule imithetho yehlangano ebusako leyo.
Addressing the energy crisis in the country is to explore opportunities to import energy from neighboring countries.
We could increase the generation of additional 80 to 100 megawatts.
Ilizwe lekhethu lizokusizwa ngegezi lilizwe leMozambique ukuthi kwehle ukunande iqindeliswa kwegezi lapha ekhethu.
We don't take the teams lightly, but with having possibly World Cup 2027 in South Africa, we've got to do that well at this World Cup.
Umbanduli webanyana uDesiree Ellis uthi kuqhakathekile ukuthi isiqhema sakhe sihlale ngokuzimisela ebhigirini yephasi yanonyaka ukuthi sikhone ukuzivulela amathuba okusingatha ibhigiri yephasi ka-2027. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba godu ke SABC 1 na ku DTT ngesiNdebele akwande. Unobhala zombelele waphambilini we-ANC u-Ace Magashule uqothiwe njengelunga lehlangano ebusako. Ibandla elikhalimako le-ANC liqinisekisa ukuqothwa kwakaMagashule ngemva kokubhalelwa kwakhe kubanikela inzathu zokuthi kuba yini angaqothwa ehlanganweni le. Magashule waphiwa amalanga alikhomba bona athule ihlangothi lakhe ngaphambi kwebandla elikhalimako ngemva kobana afunyenwe amlandu ngokuphula imithetho ye-ANC. Kanti uMagashule uthe uzakhulumisana nembiki indaba iveke ezayo ngendaba le.
U-Ace Magashule sekazokwazeka njengekhwaba lilunga lehlangano ebusako i-ANC. uMagashule uqothiwe ehlanganweni le ngemva kokubhalwa kwakhe kuvela ngaphambi kwebandla elikhalimako le-ANC azokuhlathulula izathu zakhe zokuraga ngokuba lilunga lehlangano le. uMagashule wafunyanwa namlandu ngamacala amabili ukuziphatha kumbi kunye nelokuphula imithetho yehlangano. Ngo-2021 uMagashule watlolela umengameli wehlangano le uCyril Ramaphosa incwadi emjamisako ehlanganweni. Lokhu kwahlathululwa njengokudosadosana phakathi kwengikhulu ze-ANC ngemva kobana uMagashule ajanyiswa ehlanganweni le okulandela ukulalelwa kwecala lobukhohlakala eFreystata asola ngokuthinteka kilo. Icala lesibili athweswe lona liphathelene nokubhalelwa kuncancabeza kuRamaphosa ngemva kokumtlolela incwadi. uMagashule ojanyiswe pheze iminyaka emibili ehlanganweni le wakhupha ividiyo aphaya amacala athweswe wona ngemva kokuvela kwawo.
Kanti ucozulula indaba lesithindana nomcozululo wezepolitiki ubaba uSoli Masilela sakwamukela Dlambile endabeni zesiNdebele. Kusho ukuthini lokhu kwezepolitiki nofana kezombanganaga?
Wande dada wanda ngilojise nababukeli bakho. Lokhu kutobonyana i-ANC iphomile ukuzama bonyana imigomo nemithetshwana yangaphakathi kiyo iberegiseke. Yakhumbula bonyana ke ubaba Magashule sekade angakhambisani nomthetho we-ANC. Uzakhumbula bonyana kwathi zibekwa nje uphethwa umongameli omnikela iminyaka emihlanu wabe wangezelela wathi i-ANC ilahlekile mari izakubuya ngemva kweminyaka emihlanu. Lokho kwakunyaza isiqundo se-conference esikhethe ubaba uRamaphosa ubuyileke wabhala incwadi ke athi uhlawule ukubotshwa umongameli ususpend umongameli yamkhali ANC ukuthi akahoxise nalokho zangakwenze. Ubuyileke bambiza ke ekomidini yokukhalima azange aye khona. Wafika la i-ANC ibona khona ukuthi nombana iyalahlekelwa or ayilahlekelwa bakhethi namalunga kufanele ithathe igadango lokumdisciplina ubaba Magashule.
Ngokubona kwakho Dlambili ubona ngathi uMagashule lo wenze ngabo mangatlola incwadi ukuthi kuba yini angaqothwa kwa-ANC wabe waphelula sikhathi.
Ubaba Magashule wasuke wazibona anamandla khulu ngesisekelo haya nalo ku-ANC kulukhulu econferenceini le yadlula kuleya eyamkhetha waba ngunobhala. Lokho kwamenza bonyana azibone ngathi mkhulu kune-ANC kanti kwahlangana nokuthi i-ANC ihlukene phakathi imagazuka. Uzokhumbula bonyana ngomunye kade asehlangothini leli lalibizwa kuthiwa yi-Premier Staff akhambisana-ke nabo babu-Didi Mabuza nobabu-Matilu we-North West. Mara-ke into athayelelwe kiyo-ke ubaba Magashule uthayelelile ukuthi afunde bonyana i-Cleaners Club le nabasekeli bayo amandla ayo akhambe aphuka ehla ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kungekho namhlanje awusamboni ubaba uMapilo umbona nakakhuluma zombutho eParliament ubaba uDiti Mabuza siyazi ke ukuthi ke wathokoza embereko uhluleke ukufunda ubujamo ezombanga naha ngaphakathi kwe-ANC kanti ube ukhambile mhlambe wazililela wazibethela ikhophe mhlambe bekazamnikela iswazanyana elilula kunokuthi bamqotshe bukhomba.
Dlambili ubona ngathi mhlamba uMagashule naye mhlamba ngathoma ihlangano etsha nofana angangena kezinye inhlangano ezikhona zepolitiki lapha ekhethu.
Ngelwazi lami usopolitiki akuthuki kuba usopolitiki wakhe yena ikhona indima azayidlala kwezombanga naha kukhulu nawuqala amakhetho azawo la angashe mhlambe azibumbanise nenye ihlangano njengoba kunemfuniselo eziningi angashe yakhe uladelwe ukuthi angathoma enye ihlangano phasi imbona mhlawumbe uzakuchidela kubo ATM aqala ezinye inhlangano nabu-EFF angekhe simbekele kude ngombanyana siyambona ulimele emoyeni uqoqwe ehlanganweni uyiberegele epheze impilo yakho yonke akusibuhlungwana ngakho-ke khona azakwenza ukubereka ukuya phambili mara ngimboni akha enye ihlangano ngoba isikhathi sesimbethile amakhetho nakafikile.
Ingahani isifunda seFreystata isimsekela kakhulu uMagashule lo singathathwa ngezinye inhlangano ngoba nakuMagashule waqothiwe kwa-ANC.
Yokuhlukana phakathi ungize ngithi mina ubaba uMagashule uhluleke kufunda ubujamo ngaphakathi kwehlangano le-ANC ngalamusi ubaba uZukwana lo othela ngusihlalo we-ANC eFreystata wabe waba nguNdunankulu uphethe lapha nguye ke kade aphikisana naye angakhambisani nezinto kade zenza ngibaba uMagashule ngakho-ke usengundunankulu manje kungakho uzwa sekukhulunywa nokuthi i-ofisi lakaNdunankulu eFree State khulukhulu esikhathini lesa saphethe ubaba uMagashule sesiyafunisiswa i-SIU Special Investigation Unit seyingenile lapha uyibona lapho ukuthi seyikhome nokulungiselela ukuthi nakavela ngelinye ihlangothi kuvele amanye amacala lapha e-ofisini lela azamcedelela ukuya phambili. Izokuhlukana-ke isekelo lakhe eFreystata abaningi bazokuchida kuye ngoba akasanawo amandla lawa wokungathala kade awaberegisa ukuthi abe nabasekeli abaningi.
Siyathokoza baba Masilela ngesikhathi sakho siphesona lapha ku-SABC 1 endabeni zesiNdebele. Umraro wegezi walapha ekhethu uzokufumana isizwe livela eMozambique. Ngqongqoshe wezegezi uDokotela Khosiye Nsuramukhuba uqinisekise ukuthi isivumelwano esirhabekako sokuthengwa kwamandla wegezi sifikile ekugcineni okusho ukuthi iMozambique izokunikela eSouth Africa amandla wegezi ayi-100 megawatts okwesikhatshana. Ngqongqoshe uRamukhuba nongqongqoshe wezamandla nezenjiwa eMozambique uCarlos Zacharias bebakhuluma nembikindaba ngesivumelwano esinamhlanje e-Union Buildings ePitori.
AmaSewula Africa nabosomabhizinisi bakhona bakhokha umoya ngombana amalanga la ukuqindeliswa kwegezi kubonakala kwehla.
To 3,300 megawatts additional onto the grid. And as we have announced to the country that we are going to make every effort possible to reduce the intensity of load shedding and its frequency, and part of that agenda of addressing the energy crisis in the country.
Ungqongqoshe wegezi uRamukhuba uthi hlangana neminye imizamo yokusabaleliswa kwegezi ukuthi bathole igezi emazweni amanye afana neMozambique.
Now, as confirmed, Mozambique is able to offer us 100 megawatts immediately. As I speak to you, our technical teams, ESCOM and EDM, are meeting to finalize the details of that. In the next 6 months, we can get an additional 600 megawatts. And going into the future, there are multiple sources in excess of 1,000 megawatts. So we are very grateful to the Mozambican people who are beginning to make the kind of strides that we had promised the South African people.
Thoma iSouth Africa idosa amandla wegezi eMozambique. Ngo-2019 iSouth Africa yaphakela amandla wegezi ayi-900 megawatts avele eMozambique. Kanti ihlelo leMozambique godi bekube nje lisiza ngamandla wegezi ayi-1,000 megawatts ehlelweni lamandla wegezi wanganeno.
We are in position after evaluating what are the generating capacity that we have, and the potentially are viable electricity that we could increase the generation of additional 80 to 100 megawatts.
uRamokgopa uthi amandla wegezi atholakele ngokurhabako la azokulima indima ekulu ekuraruleni umraro wokuqinileliswa kwegezi iSouth Africa eqalene nawo.
Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa kunye nabanye abomengameli abahlanu bamazwe eAfrika basehlelweni lokuvakashela iRussia neUkraine. Amazwe eAfrika ahlela ukukhulumisana neUkraine neRussia bona ziqede ipi ekhona le. Abomengameli bamazwe eAfrika bayokuhambela lomkhulumiswano ngebeSenegal, eUganda, eEgypt, eRepublic of Congo, Comoros Islands kunye neMozambique neZambia.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uyena ozohola ithimba labaholi bamazwe ase-Afrika emzameni wokukhanda ukuthula noxolo ngempi eqhubekela kwelase-Ukraine. Amazwe amaningi emhlabeni ayalimala ngokwesimo somnotho ngenxa yalempi engakhawulwa phakathi kweRussia kanye ne-Ukraine. Abaholi bamazwe ase-Afrika kulindeleke ukuthi babambe izingxoxo zokubambisana nomongameli wase-Russia uVladimir Putin kanye noVladimir Zelensky umongameli wase-Ukraine.
Yesterday we met and confirmed that we now are at a stage where we are going to visit Kyiv and Moscow, and our mission is a peace mission.
Ungqongqoshe waseNingizimu Afrika wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uDokotela uNaledi Pandor uyena onikezwe umsebenzi wokuhlela izithangami zemhlangano nabaholi balamazwe womabili iUkraine kanye neRussia.
It's a train journey that has to be undertaken from Poland to Kiev, and that journey we have to ensure is both comfortable and secure.
Ngothi izwe lase-Ukraine selixwayise ithimba lezithunywa zalabaholi base-Afrika ngokuthi uma ligaqele ukuthi lizonxenxa elase-Ukraine ngokuthi kube yilona eliphosa ithawula kwilempi eqhubekayo kuzofanele likhohlwe.
A group of African leaders wants to come to Kiev and to Moscow, or I don't know where Putin the aggressor will host them, and they want to talk. So if we are talking about this mission as a peace plan, then I am aware of it, and we are looking forward to hosting these presidents in Kiev. We see value in talking with them.
Akukacaci ukuthi uRamaphosa kanye nomongameli waseRussia bazokwazi yini ukubhunga eceleni ngodaba lukaPutin okulindeleke ukuthi athamele umhlangano wamazwe eBRICS ezosingathwa eNingizimu Afrika ngoNcwaba. Ngingusamkele Maseko ngibekele izindaba zeSABC eGoli.
Umkhandlu the Council of Geoscience isaphenyisisa bona ingabe igumayina nofana iwehla kwezinga lamanzi angaphasi kwehlabathi okubange ukuzamazama kwephasi eksikinye isifunda seGauteng izolo ngamasana. Umkhandlu loqinisekise ukuthi ukuzamazama kwephasi lokhu kutshiye izakhamuzi zeGauteng zithukiwe.
Ziningi nanje zisathuse ukuzamazama kwephasi okwenzeka izolo. Kwanje zithindana nenkampani zama-insurance bona zibasize. Ukuzamazama kwephasi kuzwakala ngabo 2:30 ngamasa izolo. Kubikwe ukuthi kunemakhiwo eyonakeleko. Kanti abantu abaningi basathukiwe nanje.
Lena ngoku anikwazi ukulala, anilalanga that day go Sunday ekseni. Anilalanga na izola anikwazi ulala.
Kusokopanela ba insurance ke ya teng ka usane to address the issue. I'm just hoping hore ba tla khona ho nthusa because the condition ya ntlo ya ka right now I sale right.
Bomkhandlu bathi zamazama lokho kube ngokukhulu begodi indawo ezibetheke khulu ngezinge Israel eGauteng. Kodwa ukufikela nje akwaziwa bona kubangelwe yini ukuzamazama kwephasi.
Further scientific work is being undertaken to assess in terms of what was the specific cause of this earthquake that happened, and each one of them are pretty unique in its character and its origins and what caused it to happen.
Umengisi uthangeze baqinisekise bona ngeze kusaba khona ukuzamazama kwephasi ekufana nekwayizolo esikhathini esisako. Bekuthi ngeze batsho nokuthi nakuba khona kuzaba ngangani.
One of the questions that are typically always asked is is this the biggest one, or when will the next one hit us? We do quite a number of research interventions that looks at the probability of seismic occurrences.
Esize lihaba ke Johannesburg kuyena kumasipalata wekuruleni bathi akhange bathole imbiko yokubhubha kwabantu namkha abalimeleyo ngemva kokuzamazama kwephasi izolo.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi ingabe ukuzula ukuzamazama kwephasi okwenzeke izolo na? Asiqalisane umbono wakho Mbukeli uyalandela.
Iphasi liyaphila into esijame kuyo lo into esigadanga kuyo into esikhamba kuyo mihla namalanga iyaphila
vavarete sinakuvele kwathi ngaboma 2 ebusuku
thina abanye semezema contractini mawulele uzovusa alarm ekuseni
yona sizwile mara bengathusi khulu ngoba sekwasikinyeka nedamasenke kuphela akufani nalethekile kuhlala isikinyeka kufa abantu mhla namalanga.
Ukuzamazama komhlaba khange ngikuzwe kodwa ngizwe endabeni nezele bahlaziya bathi bekuzamazama ngale ngabo Joburg ngale.
Sibonga nje ukuthi awukho umphefumulo walahleka kodwa ke indaba ethu sawo lezi ukuthi kusangaphinde kube khona ukuthi uzamazama umhlaba.
Into ebuhlungu yoqhekeka kwezindlu zabantu ibuhlungu lenzeke eGauteng kwaye imasikizi ingaske ngaphindi iqhubeke la nto yenzeke khona.
Manje ke sizokubalekela kuphi ke abo so science nabathi kungenzeka ebuya again this thing le earthquake hey ayikuzazoba nzima masiyo
kuzamaza. Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC azothwesa umlando oziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Kanti nasibuya entolo.
A giant who built and witnessed the evolution of football in South Africa.
Umbanduli walokhu abafana uClive Barker uyokubekwa ngelesine. Zisekhona indaba kanazi kuphunile uyazithola ku YouTube SABC indaba zesiNdebele. Umbanduli webhola eragwako ngumakekere walokhu uClive Barker uyongcwashwa ngomgcwabo wesifunda oyokubanjelwa eThekwini ngelesine. Lokhu kuqinisekiswe ngesikhathi abantu abasemkhakheni wezemidlalo nenkhulu zikahulumende bavakashele umndeni kaBarker eThekwini namhlanje ukuyokuchiriya. uBarker oneminyaka ema-78 ubhubhe ngomgcibelo ngemva kokugula isikhatshana.
Umbanduli ebekalongwa ngebizo elithi Clive the Dog Barker wadosa phambili bafana ngorwana we-Africa Cup of Nations eSouth Africa ngomnyaka ka-1996 wazithwala njalo imphanga wadlulisela bafana ebhigirini yephasi eFrance ngo-1998 ekhabe bafika kiyo kokuthoma. Uhulumende nengikhulu zemidlalo babamba umhlangano nomndeni ngentumbeni lapho bekukhulunywa khona ngamahlelo okuphekelela ikutani le kiboyise emkhulu.
We are here to really express our sincere condolences to the Barker family on the departure of this giant in the football fraternity, but also a giant who built and witnessed the evolution of football in South Africa.
His success stands for itself. You know, we won league championships when I was a young player. Young in my professional career, I was in my second year as a professional.
Clive Barker, as you watch him on the sideline, he always stretched out his arms as if he's going to take off and fly. Well, he made Bafana to fly.
Abasebenze naye solo barakela phambili ngokumbuka ngemsebenzi emihla enzileko nangobukutani bakhe.
Ngezemali iranda liqinile nalingaswana ezinye imali ezikulu. Ngezemidlalo umbanduli weBanyana uDesiree Ellis uthi uqhakathekile ukuthi isiqhema sakhe sihlale ngokuzimisela emidlalweni yebhigiri yephasi yokudlalwa eNew Zealand neAustralia ngenyanga ezako ngombana lokho kuzaqinisa ukuthembeka kwayo nokulungela ukusingatha iphasano leli ngo-2027. iBanyana ithomile namhlanje ikampeni yokuzibandula.
ISouth Africa isehelweni lamazwe abanga ukusingatha ibhigiri yeFIFA yango-2027. iBanyana ezinkutani iphaliswane neli iqobotshelwe egrupini yinye neSweden, iItaly kunye neArgentina. Umbanduli wayo uDesiree Ellis uthi bayakile liphaliswana ngomnqopho wokukhakhazisa iSouth Africa.
With having possibly World Cup 2027 in South Africa, we've got to do that well at this World Cup. We also got to make sure that, you know, the players that are there get enough experience to be able to carry the team forward.
U-Ellis kulindeleke ukuthi aphungule isibalo sabadlali bakhe abama-36 bese amemezele abaseleko abama-23 ngelanga elingakabi ukumenyezelwa.
We need to just get that final details to make sure that we're absolute ready by our first game, and that is against Sweden. We possibly have a send-off game before we leave. We have another game in New Zealand, Costa Rica.
Umdlalo weBanyana wokuthoma iyokubambana neSweden ngomhla ka-23 kuvela bahlinze.
Ubujamo bezulu buyalandela ngobungela kokosi umusa wekosi usanele sonke.